What? 10.6, okay. Here we're trying to look at restorations of rainforest. So what I'm doing is that I'm measuring now control plots that have not been planted, they has not been restored, and comparing them to other areas of this rainforest that is quite degraded. There's been logging here and burning fires. So we have plots that are planted and restored, and then we have plots that are untouched, that we have not restored. It's only natural rehabilitation or regeneration. So then we're comparing the natural regeneration with active restoration to see how much difference we get.
Okay, shake, yeah.
And what we measure is the trees, the diameter of the trees, the height of the trees, and also which species it is. So we try to analyze how much carbon sequestration we get and also the biodiversity of the tree species. And we can compare this and then evaluate how successful the restoration attempts has been in this area.